Post mo na. Ano pala?
Welcome back to Minecraft SOS. When today in the fridge, because there's a
Nilitad pala.
my neighbor for a unique bridge to cross this divide.
Next is cremada. After ng
Super dangerous.
creamer,
Bring it with TNT, which he may
creme
very well
densada
do
naman.
again. I don't hurry up with this bridge.
Pag meron po kayong dalawang piraso ng creme densada, pwede na yon. Kasi creme densada ay pinaghalong creamer and condensed milk. Pero since ito lang yung available ko, meron akong creme densada, merong condensed milk, and evaporated milk. Sinama ko na evaporated milk for extender.
And it looks kind of safe. Let's grab a few pieces of this and some of the mushrooms. Oh, wait, there are no mushrooms.
Dito na po natin siya hinalo para hindi na tayo magugas ng lalagyan. Condensed milk. Siguro half muna kasi or nilagyan ko ng 1/3. Baka masyadong matamis. So, from here, i-mix po uli natin siya.
Seriously? What was that? Why are you so obsessed with me? Stop! You're the fridge.
Okay. Gamitan uli ng mixer. Ng
Dali, dali.
Next po, add po tayo ng evaporated milk.
At the candle shop.
Siguro mga half of this lang for extender.
Lights up at night.
Yan, bali half lang po.
Wander around at night.
Para lang maparami natin.
Oh, wait. Why is the Hazard
Tapos saka
Bridge
natin
so
siya
fully
ini-mixer ulit.
illuminated? My Gothgirl Bridge can't compare. I'm gonna lose the fridge off.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Not me.
Sabi yata. Lalagyan natin siya ng Milo. Siguro mga 1,
Like,
2,
like a gargoyle or something. A really ugly gargoyle.
3 big tablespoons first. Okay?
Guarding the door.
And then, mix na lang po
He's so
natin.
cute. And maybe one day we'll get him a friend. So, all those pillagers out there that keep
Ay,
spawning in my
sorry.
lands, they better watch out. I will kill them with that decorative head. Oh, and speaking of my land, I made a...
Dali, dali.
I noticed this adorable
Wait
bookmark
lang.
at the spirit spawn. And they're selling
Okay.
loads of mending books. So just one
Next
moment.
po, lalagyan na natin siya ng, tadaan! Mini Oreo. Yung iba, durugin po muna natin.
Cost me too many levels to add band-aids to everything I own. Spoiler alert, it costs those levels.
Make sure na nagugas po kayo ng kamay, no?
17 levels.
Because I'm not using any gloves.
So of course I used my favorite XP gathering method to get enough levels to enchant all of my gear, and then I
Okay lang yan, barabaran.
actually repair it. And so finally,
So, add pa tayo more.
mostly repaired.
Another one.
And now I can actually use my wings without fear. Well, with a healthy amount of fear. Get that coral. See, this is so much faster than how I've been getting around before. This is gonna change.
There you go.
There's the desert.
Tapos, we're going to save
Reach.
the last pack ng Oreo, mini Oreo, for toppings. Mekos-mekos lang po natin ng ganyan. Yan, I hope mag-enjoy yung mga chikiting.
Complete monster. I have an inventory full
Ang
of
mabait na pamangkin. At ang kanilang tito.
getaway.
Ganyan lang po.
Transform this place again. But this time it's coral.
That's it.
Gonna place it down alive.
And then, we're going to
Die. Which sadly is exactly
top it with mini Oreo. This one. Ganyan. Para mag-enjoy sila, malalaking Oreo. See?
So at that point, I almost logged out and gave up. But instead, I decided to pack up
Para pagbukas sila, magkagulatan, maraming Oreo.
corals with some really complicated coral files.
Lulubog ko pa ba?
No. So I just
Tada!
made it on my own. Or at least
Lubog natin ng konti yung iba.
it is obvious
That's it.
I had no idea what I was doing.
And from here, tatakpan na po natin siya at i-freeze po natin, ilalagay po natin sa freezer for several hours. I don't know how long. Check na lang po natin from time to time. So, punasan lang natin yung gilid para medyo malinis naman tayo. Yan. Jaran! Pasok na natin. Wala tayong pwesto. There you go. Maghihintay tayo ng ilang oras. Check na. Ito na po yung result. Ice cream na po siya. Bawas na kasi na-excite ang mga pamangkin. Ito po. Kumain natin. Masarap. Yummy.